it's Eduardo and I'm here with my cousin
Right.
and today we have this sexy clown slash ringmaster look, perfect for escape psycho circus or just any of it in general. Tell me, Marie, what do you think about this look?
Fun.
It looks nice.
Yes.
You mean it looks beautiful, it looks terrifying. Terrifying!
That looks good.
It looks scary. So her brother hasn't seen her, so this is good. Hey Brian, come over here real quick. Hurry up, we have like 20 seconds for the intro. What do you think? Come over here on the camera, Mike. Come on camera. You're on camera real quick for the YouTubers. So, damn bitch. So what do you think about this look, Brian? She look good? Does she look sexy?
That's alright.
Looks scary.
It looks very scary. On a scale from 1 to 10, how scary does she look?
8.
Ah! No, this is really interesting. Well guys, I hope you guys like this tutorial. There's the description down below for all the products we use. They are not my products, they're Marie's products. So it's going to be really hard for me to do this, but I think it's a really good base. She will be wearing a similar makeup that looks more sexy to escape Psycho Circus on Saturday. And you guys probably going to see my cousin Brian there too. I will not be going due to budgetary reasons. And if you hear the background, that's a really overly sexually active cat. Let's get this tutorial started. Bye guys! Bye!
First, we're going to start off by priming the face. Once the face is primed, we then started to put on the foundation. The foundation, we went for a full coverage. We are using the Born This Way foundation that she purchased on her own beforehand. We then started to use the concealer all over her face. We're just concealing where I would use cream contour and cream highlight. Because we don't have the dark color, we just highlighted wherever needed to go highlighted, and then we use powder on top. Once we are done with this, we are then going to set all the face using the TooFaced Born This Way setting powder. Once I did this, I then did powder contour all over the face and the side region and the nose. And then we're gonna proceed to bake. Guys, all I did was I got this little red color, use it as a base at the bottom of the lid. I did the whole lid. Once I did this, I then proceeded to get a black eyeshadow from the same Morphe palette, and I just cut the crease of it and I blended it in. And then for the middle, at first I got a foiled shadow, but it didn't really look as good. It was a red foiled shadow. So then I got a red dark cream lipstick and I put it on top and I blended it in with the black. And that's kind of how I did the eye look, and then I just fixed the lines with some concealer. A CoverGirl blush, I then just put blush on the desired part of the face, and then I just added some highlighter.
People are gonna be like, why are you going so ham with the highlighter? Because gotta glow, bitch. Oh! Oh! Makeup floor! Brush! One brush is gone! The whole internet's gonna laugh. I'm gonna do that in slow motion on purpose. Oh,
I want to do a new brush. I'm just kidding.
How you doing?
I like you.
Okay, so this is the color we got. Do you think it's fine?
It's black.
Let me swatch it.
It looks great.
Okay, plan B. We're just gonna use it. Let's just use it directly.
To finish this look, because the black around the red lips look funny, we then decided just to clean up the lips and just go with the black cream paint. And I just did the diamonds on the eye, and I make sure to go into the crease so it looks better and more natural. For the eyes, I do recommend do more smokiness. Mine looks too red looking at the video recording now. And I think this is pretty much it. This look is real simple, real fun, and real fresh. like this would achieve this amazing look perfect for raves, Halloween, or any occasion. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And yes, this is one of the first beauty Halloween gothic tutorials that's on my YouTube channel. More videos like this will be coming, and we'll have an actual beauty video collaboration real soon with my cousin Marie and maybe Brian. Bye. Subscribe.